What's up, guys? This is Ronnie. Welcome back to our channel Total Technology Zone. This is tutorial 9, and in this tutorial, we will learn how to add some text on top of your images using OpenCV5. Okay, so suppose you have an image here. Let me show you here. This is an image, and if you see here, OpenCV is written. So, how to do this sort of operation? Suppose you have a logo, and inside the logo, you want to actually put some company tagline, slogan, or maybe company name, etc. Right? So, how to do that? So, those sort of things we'll be going to learn from this tutorial. This is again going to be a very simple tutorial, but again, one of the very fundamental things if you are going to work with computer vision or deep learning, or probably you are going to develop some image processing related applications. These sort of things are very much important. Okay, so without wasting much time, let me start working on the actual part. So again, we'll be going to use cv to put text function, and the source code of this thing will be available here. This is going to be a very fast and small tutorial. I'll be just going to do it very fast. I won't take much time to complete this thing. Okay, so first what we'll do, we'll be just going to create a circle image, and after that inside the circle image we'll be going to put some text message. Okay, so it will be import cv2. Okay, and then import numpy as np, right? Then what will happen now, we'll be going to write img equals to np dot zeros, right? And we'll be going to write, okay, and here it will be, okay. Then now what will happen, we'll be going to do, let's say cv2 dot draw, forget, it will be cv2 dot circle. So first thing will be actually image. I think that canvas. Then we'll be going to keep center point. So it will be 350, 350, 350. Okay. Then radius and the color. Okay. So let's give radius. Let's say 180 is radius. Okay. Then color is, I want to make it a little bit reddish. Okay. So BGR. So 10, 20, 249. Okay, and I want to make the thickness of -1. Okay, so the red will be complete thing. Okay, so while true, okay, then if cv2 dot wait key 1, and then ampersand, what else, so 0 ff, right? Okay, equals to this. Okay, q like this, and then break, right? All done. Then cv2 dot yeah, fine. I actually forgot. Should we save it to dot I forget to actually display the image. Okay, then circle, and here I would like to display the image. Okay, let's execute. It's still working. I have to put Q. I don't know what is happening. Let's execute. The image came. If you press Q, it will gone. Now inside that image, I want to write line. Okay, it should be cv2 dot putText. Okay, same thing img. Okay, then text. I just want to write circle. Okay, then origin point. So I want to start it a little bit. Let's say 100 to 100. Let's say 100, or maybe I want to do it, let's say 200 and little bit downwards from down, and let's say 400. Okay, 200, 400. Then find, okay, so the type will be, let's say, 2, then scale maybe 2. Okay, and the color is also there, so let's see. uh, just hold on. This is the color. Okay, I want to do it, let's say, using white color, so maybe 255, 255, 255. Okay, and then thickness is there, so maybe thickness is, let's say, 2. Okay, let's see. Yeah, if you see here, I added a circle first, and after that I wrote this line circle. Okay, so this is amazing, right? So with the help of OpenCV, you can put a text inside your image as well. Right now, you can actually write anything, whatever you want. Only thing you have to remember. So basically, this line is actually the starting point. So basically, my starting will start from here, 200, 400. If I make it 350, it will start from here. So let's say if I do it 300, you'll see it is actually going a little bit on the right side. Okay, okay, let's see. See, it came here because it starts from here, right? So either way, you can do it, right? Okay. So I think that is the ultimate objective of this tutorial. Hopefully you guys are following the series. So if you are actually new to this series, if you can actually go to my channel and search for OpenCV complete tutorial. You will find it. If you see here, this tutorial 9 is still beginning, but before this tutorial I have already created more than 8 tutorials, and those tutorials are very easy, and those tutorials are kind of basic building blocks of OpenCV. Okay, so you can actually start watching from the beginning. And also I have created some other playlist on LangChain, on Llama Index. If you are actually going to do something on the machine learning or AI industry, or if you want to develop some LLM driven application, maybe those playlists are also important for you. Okay, so before I conclude, I would like to say, guys, please try to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, share the videos with your family and friend, and don't forget to hit the bell notification icon. And I need your support, guys. If you see, this is a very new channel and I'm still growing, and I need your support to grow so that I can reach large number of audience. So please help me, guys, grow. Try to subscribe to my channel as much possible, and this will help me directly or indirectly. Okay, so that's it. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, have a nice day, and happy learning. Thank you very much.